In Stacking Up today, trader Todd Bubba Horwitz is here to talk about how much he loves this market. Good to have you here.
Good morning. Great to be here. You know, I do love this market. I can't wait till it collapses.
I'm being facetious.
Yes,
He's not about this market at all. Why are you so falling out of love with this market?
You know, we've been in for 31 days. We haven't had a bigger than a 1% move either side. The market is building a very solid consolidation band. I can only assume that the big breakout, the next breakout will be to the downside. Now, I could be wrong, obviously, but every stock that I look at seems to be at the upper end of its range, and to me, it's hard to chase them up when we've already had such a monster rally and a continued movement here. When volatility is extremely low, if you go back over the last 10 years, you will see that every time we hit these levels in volatility, within 2 to 3 weeks, we had a very big sell-off. And it's happened about 7 or 8 occasions over the last 10 years. So I'm looking for a market to sell off that I'd like to buy into after the sell-off. To me, it's Labor Day. We've got Jackson Hole coming up. Too many things in the way for me to think this market can go much higher.
Okay, let's take the glasses half full approach now. The market has been moving higher. A big adage is, don't fight the tape.
Never sell a dull market.
Never sell a dull market. So you're coming in saying, I really want to sell this. Are you shorting stocks, individual names here? What are you doing?
I am shorting individual names at the moment. I'm shorting Facebook right now. I'm shorting a lot of the oil stocks because I think oil has been overvalued. I'm especially targeting Tesla oil right here. But again, I'm not doing anything too aggressively because aggression in a market that's dull is a recipe for disaster. Sometimes you have to observe and watch the market, knowing what you're trying to accomplish, but the market has to meet that level before you can go and do that. And that's more what I'm about. I'm more active in the futures market as well because they trade in a much shorter time frame, so I can be short for 10 minutes and have a winning trade.
Okay, understood. And important to note as well, there's some positive comments out over the weekend. Barron's was talking up Facebook. They see a potential of maybe a 20% move in this stock during the next year still.
You know what?
Come.
I thought that's one of the reasons I'm bearish Facebook.
So you're taking the contrarian.
Well, that's not really the contrarian. I think Facebook is a little bit overdone here anyways. They're a great company.
But that makes you want to sell.
They're the first $1 trillion company in my opinion. However, they've had a heck of a run here.
That's true.
Now the Barron's bounce, usually you get a much bigger bounce. Now on Monday, the stock did not perform as well as you would have thought after they had the big news from Barron's and everything else going on. So to me, it looked like it might be just a little bit overbought here at the moment. And I think it has a better chance to go down 5-6% before it resumes the rally.
Okay, good to have you here. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Always interesting. You're never boring.
Thanks to be here.